Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your valuable time in Asana? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create a dedicated workflow account in Asana that will automate those mundane processes and bring order to your project chaos. First, we need to create the workflow account. Head up to your profile picture in the top right corner of your Asana workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Add Account. This will allow you to create a brand new, separate account within your existing Asana organization. Now, enter a unique email address for your workflow account. This should be an address you can access, but it doesn't need to be a personal email. Many teams use a shared alias or a newly created email specifically for this purpose. Next, enter a name for the account that clearly indicates its purpose. Something like Asana Workflow Bot or Automation Account works well. Now, create a strong and secure password for this account. Remember to store this password in a safe place, like a password manager, as you'll need it to log in and manage the workflow account. Click the Create Account button. Asana will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to the inbox of the email address you used and find the verification email from Asana. Open the email and click the Verify Email button to activate your workflow account. Congratulations! You're now logged into your dedicated workflow account. You can use this account to create and manage rules, integrations, and other automations within Asana. Now you can build a specific set of rules based on what works for your project, such as if a task is moved to complete, it automatically assigns the next task. To switch back to your personal account, just click on your profile picture again and select your personal account from the drop-down menu. Creating a dedicated workflow account is a powerful way to streamline your processes and free up your team to focus on what matters most. Go forth and automate.